I made another fun fold card today using the Sunny Days Designer Series paper. Now I'm going to have all of the details and measurements for this card on my website, and so you can go and check out all of that at madetocreatewithlisa.com. Now this paper is one of the freebies you can earn during Sale-A-Bration, and you have until the end of February to earn that paper. Now I paired it here with another one of our awesome stamp sets, and I cut out the sentiment to make it a little bit smaller, and so it says just a note instead of that big image that you get when you stamp the whole thing. And I think that's really neat that you can that the sentiments can be versatile. Now I just layered up this paper here, and then we're just going to attach it to the side of the card, but first I'm going to add some of our petal pink ribbon, and it matches the paper, and I just love the sweet pink of this card. I'm really getting into thinking ahead to spring, and so I just was totally into the florals and the pink on this one. Now I did end up adding some white paper to the inside, and then before I finished the card I also ended up taking off that floral piece and adding some embossed cardstock because I just thought it gave a little bit more interest. So you can see those pictures at my website. So go ahead and head over to madetocreatewithlisa.com. Thanks so much for following along, and I will talk to you again soon.